everyone, this is Kristinlafratta from MassLive. I'm here at Lynn Beach where there's some storm surge happening during this blizzard today, and we're witnessing our third nor'easter within 2 weeks. I wanted to give you guys a look at what it's looking like here at the coast. It's pretty windy and it's pretty cold and pretty snowy. Get a little wet here. Yeah, you can see there's some flooding happening right over the barrier here. This is actually a pedestrian walkway. You can see there are some benches over there. And normally this is not flooded. There's storm surge of about 2 to 3 feet today. During this blizzard, which is going to last all day. Here on the East Coast, it's going to be the worst. We're going to see between 1 to 2 feet of snow and some pretty intense winds. And it'll be picking up throughout the day. I will stay safe, Maria. Thank you for the comment. I was actually here just last week taking picture and video, and one wave absolutely crushed me. Gonna try to avoid that today. High tide occurred earlier this morning, and it'll happen again this afternoon. It's not happening right now. I'd have to look up the exact times for you on that.